Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Darrell and
Miss Kayla.
Coming to you live from the Chester-Rye Public Library. Today we're here to show you our September grab and go
Craft, the owl.
It's an owl. In this video, we'll show you instructions of how to put it together. Miss Mikayla is going to go through step by step and show you the materials you need. We look forward to seeing you boys and girls very soon. Bye, guys.
All right, so when you pick up your craft from the library, you're going to get it in a bag like this with a little slip on the front and all of the pieces inside. So the pieces that are going to come inside the craft are this black piece of paper, the green tree top, the brown tree trunk, this very weird piece that I'll show you later, these two little eye pieces, black eye pieces, a few various types of leaves, two little wings, the owl body, some star stickers, two little owl feet, the owl nose, the moon, and then you're going to get a few little white dots to put his eyes together. Alright, so what we're going to start with is you're going to get your little owl body and we're going to start building his face. So what you're going to do is grab the two tan little circles and you're going to glue those right on top where his eyes would be. Just like this. And then you're going to take the black pieces and if you need help you can always look at the slip right here and it'll show you where they're supposed to go. And then you just glue those kind of in the middle like this. And he'll start to look like this. And then you're going to take these little white pieces and you're going to glue them down kind of in the center. Like this. Alright, so he should look something like this now. And then we're going to grab his little nose piece. We're going to put that right under his eyes. Like this. So the next thing you're going to grab is this weird little oval piece, and that's going to build his little tummy for us. So you're going to glue that right on the bottom. Just like this. So the next thing you're going to take are two brown little wings and they're going to go on either side of his body. It should look something like this. And then the last piece you're going to use for his body is his little feet. So these pieces. We're going to go right underneath him like this on either side. And there you have a little owl. Kind of cute. All right, Alright, so now that you've built your little owl, you're going to take the black piece of paper and you're going to put your tree on it. So you're going to start with the tree trunk at the bottom. You're going to put some glue on the back of it. You can just glue it anywhere along the bottom where you'd like your tree to be. Like this. And then you're going to take the big tree top and add a lot of glue to the back. I'm going to put it right over the top of the tree trunk. Just like that. So since it's fall, your tree is going to need some leaves. So you should have got a couple of different leaves in your bag. And you're just going to add them anywhere on the treetop that you want. So now you have some fall leaves on your tree. So now that your tree is all built, I think it's time to add our little owl friend. So he should be all dried now, so what you can do is add some glue to the back of him. And then you can add him anywhere at the bottom near the tree that you want. Just like this. So, since owls like nighttime, we're gonna add the little moon in the corner. So he knows he can wake up. Anywhere you like. Just like that. So the last step is some stars. We're gonna add some star stickers. Anywhere you want along the border. So, once you're done adding all your stars, then your September craft is all finished. Look forward to seeing you in the fall. Bye.